Popular AI tools for enhancing productivity in 2025. As we move into 2025, several AI tools are gaining traction for their ability to enhance productivity across various domains. Here are some of the most popular tools that are making waves this year. 1. Motion AI. Motion AI is designed to streamline workflows by automating scheduling and task management. It helps users prioritize their tasks effectively, ensuring that they focus on what matters most. 2. Notion AI. Notion AI integrates seamlessly with the Notion workspace, providing users with smart suggestions for content creation, organization, and project management. Its versatility makes it a favorite among teams looking to enhance collaboration and efficiency. 3. ChatGPT. ChatGPT continues to be a leading tool for generating text-based content, answering queries, and assisting with brainstorming sessions. Its natural language processing capabilities allow for fluid interactions, making it a go-to for many professionals. Grammarly has evolved beyond basic grammar checking to include advanced writing suggestions and tone adjustments. This tool is essential for anyone looking to improve their written communication, whether in emails, reports, or social media posts. Canva's AI features help users create visually appealing graphics and presentations quickly. With templates and design suggestions, it simplifies the creative process for marketers and content creators alike. 6. Todoist AI Assistant. This tool enhances task management by using AI to suggest deadlines, prioritize tasks, and even automate repetitive actions. It's particularly useful for individuals and teams managing multiple projects. 7. Pictory AI. Pictory AI is gaining popularity for its ability to create engaging video content from text. This tool is particularly useful for marketers and content creators looking to leverage video for storytelling and engagement. HyperWrite assists users in generating content ideas and drafting text, making it a valuable tool for writers and marketers. Its AI-driven suggestions help overcome writer's block and enhance creativity. Asana has integrated AI features to automate project management tasks, such as assigning deadlines and tracking progress. This helps teams stay organized and focused on their goals. ClickUp is another comprehensive project management tool that utilizes AI to enhance productivity. It offers features like time tracking, task automation, and goal setting, making it a robust choice for teams.